How's it going, guys? This video will be about pulling the whole rear subframe out, doing the two rear subframe bushings, and welding the toe adjustment and camber adjustment for these E30s. You're probably wondering, oh, that's kind of weird that a car from the 90s or any car doesn't come with like adjustment for toe and camber in the rear, even though it's IRS. Well, I don't know. BMW decided, it's like, nah, screw you guys. We're just going to let you wear out your tires if you want to lower your car and do track stuff or car shows or whatever you want to do. I'm still waiting for Ireland Engineering to send it to me. Apparently, I just got a shipping order 2 days ago saying that it's on its way. So here's the things I need to do. First off, I gotta clean all this crap. I don't know, because the battery was leaking, so it made it rusty. So I want to clean this up. Number two, I'm getting the whole windshield replaced. So I have a crack there, then I got a rock chip there, and another one there, another one here. Number three, I'm going to take these off because my buddy at the body shop is gonna show me how I could recondition them or maybe paint them. Number four, I'm going to take this whole grill off and I'm going to repaint or recondition this just like that plastic I just showed you guys. Number five. Now here's the problem. If you ever have a right-hand drive E30, and that's right guys, if you guys noticed that, my car is right-hand drive. They only made 1,500 of them from 89 to 91, like, per year. But the thing is, 1,500 in Japan, 1,500 in North America, so there's more than 1,500, right? But this one came from Japan. Anyways, the thing is with these, and this is good because no one talks about this, because no one with a right-hand drive E30 ever discusses this. So this is the video for you guys. This is a USDM one, right? You see the part number here, you see this, look where the body is, right? So if you look at this one, and I got it all torn apart, this is literally the opposite. Look at that. And if you guys are thinking, oh, why don't you just grab the USDM one and put it into the JDM one? You can't, because the armatures are completely different, and same with the coils inside. And the gearing is all shredded out. So no, you cannot change this to this. Because you got to remember, the gearing inside here is in reverse. Just like this one is going whatever direction it's supposed to do. So even though it's a 4-plug, you can see this, it is not the same. And they even have a different part number. And I had to figure that out the hard way. You see that? This is the part number. So by chance, if someone else that's watching this video is running into the same issues with right-hand drive stuff, don't be scared to comment down this video and ask me questions, because I will help you out, because I know how stressful it is, because I've been having nothing but just problems in like figuring out stuff by myself. But I have a lot of good friends that have been supporting me along the way of like, we'll figure it out, right? That's the thing. That's the mentality when you have cars like these. You cannot give up. You want to get it running. That's how it is. Like, for example. But anyways, guys, you probably don't want me to, like, rant about the car. But this video is about dropping the subframe and how to do it, how easy it is, and what do you do kind of thing. So, hope you guys like this video. And also, before I start tearing this car apart, if you guys like E30 content, I can film more. I just don't know what my target audience is yet, because I've just been posting old Mazdas and old Fords. So